React Router comes with some powerful hooks to make navigation and data management easier. In this video, we will explore 6 essential hooks you need to know for efficient routing in React. Let's dive in right now. But before diving deeper, let's have a look at what is React Router. React Router is the library for handling routing in React applications. With the introduction of React Router version 6, the library has become even more powerful and developer-friendly thanks to the introduction of route hooks. These hooks simplify the process of working with routes, allowing you to manage navigation, access route parameters, and more, all within functional components. The first React Router hook we are going to observe today is called useNavigate. It's used for programmatic navigation, allowing you to redirect users or change routes without needing to render a link component. In this example, calling handle click will navigate the user to the /home route. The second most essential React Router hook is called useParams. When you need to access dynamic parameters in your route, useParams is your go-to hook. It retrieves the key value pairs of the current route parameters. Here, ID is the dynamic segment of the route /user/ID. Another very important hook is useLocation. It gives you access to the current location object, which includes information about the URL such as the path name, search query, and hash. This example logs the current path to the console whenever the location changes. When you need to match a specific route pattern against the current location, useMatch is the hook to use. It returns the match object if the pattern matches, or null if it doesn't. In this example, useMatch checks if the current URL matches the /profile/ID pattern, and if so, logs the profile ID. If your component is rendering nested routes, useOutlet allows you to render the child route elements within your layout component. Here, useOutlet is used to render the nested routes component inside the main layout. And finally, when you need to access or modify query parameters in the URL, useSearchParams is the hook to use. It returns an array with the current search parameters and a function to update them. Here, useSearchParams retrieves the filter parameter from the URL and logs its value. You can also update the search parameters. And that was all about the most essential React Router hooks today. I hope you liked this video. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe for more, and see you again in the future.